Phrasal Verbs, Exercise 1. Lesson Exercise. Now, it's time for you to test this lesson. I'll give you the definition of phrasal verb from this course and you'll have to guess which is the phrasal verb I'm describing. Please, pause the video if you need more time. You will have about 5 seconds to answer each question. Then, I'll show you the correct answer. Let's go! Phrasal verb definition. To find information, to search for something online, or in a book. Come up, pick up, look up. And it's look up. To establish a stable life, especially by getting married or buying a house. Settle down, hang out, drop by. And the correct answer is settle down. To understand something, to solve a problem or understand a concept. Figure out, fill out, look out. And the correct answer is figure out. To face a challenge, to encounter a difficulty or obstacle. Come up against, get on, bring back. And it's come up against. To stop functioning, usually referring to machinery. Throw away, break up, or break down. And the correct answer is break down. To finally do something you've been meaning to do. To find the time to complete a task that has been delayed. Give into. Get around to. Run into. And the correct one is get around to. To have no more of something. To deplete a supply of something. Run up off. Run out of. Drop by. The correct answer is run out of. To deal with things you haven't done yet. To do things you haven't had time to do previously. Catch up on. Calm down with. Get across. And the correct one is catch up on. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you better understand this lesson.